Redesigned for 2026, the Honda CRF250R delivers unmatched power and agility, dominating the track straight out of the showroom.
The 2026 Honda CRF250R represents Honda's continued dominance in the competitive 250cc motocross class. Built for riders who demand precision, speed, and reliability, this machine carries forward the CRF legacy. With a race-focused attitude and modern engineering, engine performance, and power delivery, at the heart of the 2026 Honda CRF250R is a high-revving 250cc, four-stroke engine designed for explosive acceleration and strong mid-range pull. The power delivery is tuned for motocross racing, offering sharp throttle response that helps riders launch out of corners and charge hard down straights with confidence. Advanced chassis and handling. Honda's lightweight aluminum frame gives the CRF250R its well-known balance and agility. The 2026 model continues to focus on centralized mass and refined rigidity, allowing riders to feel connected to the track. Whether attacking ruts or flying over jumps, the bike stays stable and predictable. Suspension built for the track. The suspension setup is engineered to handle aggressive riding, with race-proven front forks and a responsive rear shock. The CRF250R absorbs harsh landings while maintaining roll-through rough sections. This setup helps riders push harder, without sacrificing comfort or confidence. Rider-focused technology, modern electronics enhance the riding experience on the 2026 Honda CRF250R. Multiple riding modes allow adjustments to suit different track conditions and riding styles. This intelligent tuning helps riders extract maximum performance, whether the track is dry, muddy, or deeply rutted. Design and racing style. The CRF250R's design reflects Honda's factory racing DNA, sharp body lines, and aggressive stance. And signature Honda red give the bike a professional motocross look. Every panel is shaped for rider movement, making it easy to shift weight during intense racing moments. Why the 2026 Honda CRF250R stands out. What makes the 2026 Honda CRF250R special is its balance of power, control, and durability. It's a bike built not just to compete, but to win. From amateur racers to seasoned professionals, this machine is designed to perform at the highest level. This has been Acer Showroom and Vero, bringing you one of the most popular and exciting motocross stories of the future. If you enjoy faceless, voice-driven content about high-performance machines, stay connected for more legendary bikes and upcoming models. The ride never ends here.